Hey, what's up, Filecoin holders? So in this video I predicate this coin to relic and they will go in the moon or not, my brother. What's the mistake of holder? Definitely Filecoin holders are doing very huge mistake, my brother, and if you do these mistakes, you are in the loss, my brother. Let's see, this time Filecoin is completely in the profit now, and I'm so happy to see this. But holder are doing very big mistakes, especially a few days, my friend, ago, so to holder starting selling, so they will fails down, and absolutely all of you, my friend, are the loss now. So be safe from loss, my brother, because just in only after 3 or 2 days, my friends, they will give you a very good profit now, because at the end every cryptocurrencies will moving upward now. So definitely the Filecoin is absolutely starting moving upward, and I am so happy. I expect this, my friend, from this coin, my brother, because this is one of the good and very fastest cryptocurrency, my friend, in a crypto market. So let's see, my brothers, to what they do. But holders, remember, my brothers, to if you hold just in only a 3 days, so they will give you in a short time very huge profit now. So why you miss this chance, my brothers? Don't sell it and hold it. And remember, it's not a financial video. I just advise you, please, before you take any decision, research personally, and after that, my friends, take a decision now. So my opinion is absolutely for all of you to hold, and this time prediction is also going to be positive now. So let's see, my brothers, to at the end they will give you a profit or not, but I will give you guarantee, my brothers, to at the end of the month every cryptocurrency will give you a profit. So therefore make sure, my brothers, to hold it and wait for a good time. See you next time, holder. Please remember to hold it and wait for a good time. If you miss this chance, my brother, you remember, my brothers, to you never take a profit, because in the start of month every cryptocurrency fails down, but at the end they will give you a very good profit. So take a profit and sell it. I hope, my friend, if you buy it again in the mid of month, so they will give you again profit now at the end of month. So don't miss this chance. Hold it and wait for a good time. See you next time, Filecoin holder. Please, you also share your opinion and prediction in the comment box. Please, and like video and subscribe this channel for more this type informative videos. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Take care.